Hello everyone. Uh, Today is 13th November and tomorrow is Diwali or Deepavali. And as I mentioned you earlier, my wife is very fond of Indian festivals, traditions and all. And she wanted me to make some sweets for her puja tomorrow. She would like to pray tomorrow, so she wanted me to say make some Indian sweets. Then I had to check which would be easier for me to make. So I thought, this one, Besan Ladoo would be easier to make compared to other. So I sourced this one from Bangkok because these are not available at the place where I live. This is Besan, and I also got this one Amul ghee from Bangkok. I think this is like a 1 liter. Yeah, yeah, 1 liter. And this costs around some 380 baht. And each pack of this, I think it's half a kilo. 1 kilo costs around 70 baht. That is like maybe 160, 170 rupees. And 1 kilo of this amul is like 380 baht. That would be roughly 850 rupees or like that. So I just wanted to make some sweets for her. Okay, let's try how that goes well. I hope it goes well. Okay, thank you. Yeah, first what I do is like roast some, fry some cashew. I think that would add to the taste. Fry them in ghee for some time, and it gives them good flavor. Then make them in powder. Yeah, I fried the cashews for 5 minutes in ghee, a little bit of ghee, and then I made a fine powder of that, a little bit coarse powder, not very very fine. And this is ready. And the next thing I would do is put the ghee in the pan, heat it for a few minutes, maybe 2 minutes, not more. And then I would like to put the besan powder into that and fry it for almost like 10 to 12 minutes. Okay. Yeah, the next one, I put the flame very very low and I put some ghee, amul ghee, into that. Let it melt completely, and slowly I will put the besan powder into that and mix it thoroughly. And I think we should mix it for almost like 10 to 12 minutes till the besan gets little brownish and has good flavor. This is my first time making besan ladoo, but I'm confident that I can. I watched 3 videos online on YouTube on how to make besan ladoo, and I'm sure I can do that. Let's see. Yeah, add besan as long as it's too much. Let me put the entire thing. This pack is like half a kilo, 500 grams of besan, and we can add the ghee if it is less. And for the time being, I think I should keep on mixing it. Oh, this is very hard work. I hope so. Yeah. It has been almost 10 minutes. I have been mixing so far. Nothing stuck to the bottom of the pan. I think I have done a good job, even though the first time it's emanating some good flavor, ghee and besan flavor. Very good. It has turned little brown. I put like 500 grams of besan. Now I just want to do some experiments, cook them my own style. I think I would add this cashew nut powder to that. Maybe too big. Enough, I think. And give it a mix for 2 to 3 more minutes. Mix the cashew powder thoroughly, because there could be some small lumps, because we fried that in ghee and it could form lumps when you grind them. Yeah, it gives a different color now. You can see a little bit change in color. A bit of change in color. I think it's time to take it off. Okay. It's starting to get, charred, burn a little bit in the bottom. Oh my god, it's very tough job. It's a very, very tough job. 10 minutes do this. Very tough. I think it's done. Very good flavor. I think we can add a little more ghee after when we make ladoos. Okay, let's turn off the gas. It's very, very hot. I think it at least takes 15 to 20 minutes to cool down. So let's wait. I only have this, they call it icing sugar. It's very powdery and very good. I think that would easily mix into this. So no need to make any powder or something. Well, I have transferred everything into this. It's cool now. We can easily make it into a ladoo. Yeah, you can. And I have this icing sugar. I think it will easily mix with this. Very soft. It's very good and very sweet. And I have no measurement. I just put some, mix it and taste it, and again put it if needed. Okay. Let me mix this one. I think it's good. First attempt should be good. Let's see. I mixed everything thoroughly. I checked for the sweetness. Everything is perfect. Now I would like to make ladoo. How do they do it? Just take some and let's try. Maybe I think they do with 2 hands. Wow. Yes. I think it's perfect. I think maintaining the same size is challenging. Let's see. Wow, almost same. Good. First attempt is successful. I think they're good. They taste good. Maybe we can use this for puja tomorrow. Celebrate Diwali with new ladoos. Yes, first time making Besan Ladoo for Diwali in Thailand. And tomorrow we celebrate Diwali. I can post a video of that, how we celebrate Diwali in Thailand with my Thai wife. And this is the first attempt. I think it's very good. Okay.